more electrophilic reagent. Now next, nitration. What is the formula of hybridization? Hybridization is equal to number of sigma bonds plus number of lone pairs. AlCl3 is ionic compound. Now you can say ionic bond is there and covalent bond is there. What is the difference between ionic bond and covalent bond? Covalent bond is that sharing of electron is called covalent bond, and ionic bond is transfer of electron from one element to another element is called ionic bond. What is covalent bond? Sharing of electron between two atoms or two groups are called covalent bond, and transfer of electron from one element to another element is called ionic bond. So our LCl3 is Lewis acid and ionic compound. Now next heading, nitration. Nitration. Benzene plus HNO3 plus H2SO4. Concentrated HNO3, concentrated H2SO4 gives nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. Now here, from these two reagents, from HNO3 from H2SO4, then how will get NO2 plus? How will get electrophile? Now we see mechanism now. Mechanism. HNO3. What is the structure of HNO3? Double bond O H. This is HNO3 plus H2SO4. S double bond O H. In these two acids, which one is more acidic? Now, what is the difference of acid? The substance which releases H plus ions. Which increases concentration of H plus ions at equilibrium when it is dissolved in water is called acid. Now, out of these two compounds, which one is releases H plus ions easily? H2SO4 more acidic. This can be released H plus ions very easily. Now, in this atom is two lone pairs. Now, our H2SO4 is strong acid, more acidic than HNO3. Now this substance can release H plus ions. How it will release? In this oxygen atom, two lone pairs are there. One lone pair donates to this hydrogen atom, and this electron goes to here. Go to the next one. This one. Our H2SO4 is releases H plus ions to HNO3. Then it will be form N double bond O H previous H and new H. Now oxygen atom is donated lone pair to here. Oxygen atom is donated. मतलब plus charge. Now here this is unstable. What is byproduct? HSO4 minus is byproduct. Now this is unstable compound. It can be released as water. Now this electron goes to here. Then it will form minus H2. See, this electron goes to here. Why not these electrons? In this case, oxygen atom is more electronegative than nitrogen atom. That's why this electron goes to an oxygen atom. If you put this electron here, minus charge, plus charge. Minus charge, neutral, that is water. Remaining plus charge is there on hydrogen atom. Then it will be form N double bond O plus charge. Why we are writing linear? See here, in this metal atom, here double bond. Double bond मतलब one sigma bond and one pi bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. Then what is the difference of what is the formula of hybridization? Number of sigma bond plus number of lone pairs. Here how many sigma bond? One sigma bond. Here one sigma bond. There is no lone pairs because nitrogen atom is plus charge. Already it is donated. Already one lone pair donated to oxygen atom. That's why it is plus charge. Now total two coordinate number. That is sp. That is linear. Now we got electrophile. This is our electrophile. Our electrophile. NO2 plus is electrophile. This name is nitronium ion. This nitronium ion reacts with benzene. It will form nitrobenzene. See here, N double bond O plus charge. This you can write NO2 plus charge nitrogen atom. This name is nitronium ion. And one more is there, NO plus. Here plus charge on nitrogen atom, here plus charge on oxygen atom. This name is nitrogonium ion. Nitrogonium ion. Difference. Nitronium ion, NO2 plus is nitronium ion. Nitrogonium ion is NO plus. Here plus charge on oxygen atom, here plus charge on nitrogen atom. Now, what is that? Our electrophile. Electrophile is nitronium ion. NO2 plus is our electrophile. That electrophile reacts with benzene, it will form nitrobenzene. Now we see that mechanism. Now benzene, double bond. Next take nitrogen ion, double bond, plus charge. Now from benzene, one pi bond donated this carbon to this carbon, this carbon to this carbon. Then it will be formed double bond, plus charge, N, double bond O. Now you can write same. Now in this case, plus charge here, you can write like this also. This electron donates this carbon to here, then it will come here, N, double bond O, and here plus charge. Both are same. Previous one and this one both are same. Now from here plus charge, need electron. If you do deprotonation, this electron goes to here, then it will form double bond. See, this is deprotonation, minus H plus. You can understand, you can like this also. If you break this bond, here plus charge, minus charge plus charge can make bond. That is also same. And generally we have to do like this only. This armor, matlab this electron goes to here to make it double bond. What is meaning of that? Deprotonation. Double bond, NO2. Here we are writing like trigonal planar. Here we are writing linear. What is the difference between here and here? See here, how many sigma bonds are there? One here, one sigma bond, one pi bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. Yes, one sigma bond. Here, one sigma bond, one pi bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. What is formula of hybridization? Number of sigma bonds plus number of pi bonds, number of lone pairs. How many sigma bonds? Two sigma bonds surrounding another atom. So that is two matlab sp. In this nitrogen atom having surrounded three sigma bonds. Three matlab sp2. That is trigonal planar. That's why we are writing like this, trigonal planar. In this case we are writing linear. In this case we are writing like trigonal planar because this nitrogen atom having three sigma bonds matlab sp2, that is trigonal planar. This is like trigonal planar. Now this is nitration. What is that? Benzene plus HNO3 plus H2SO4 gives nitrobenzene, that is nitration. Now next one more, sulfonation. Benzene plus 2 moles of H2SO4 or SO3 plus H2SO4. This compound you can say oleum also. Industrial name is that oleum. SO3 plus H2SO4 is oleum. Then it will form benzene sulfonic acid. This name is benzene sulfonic acid. Now we will see the mechanism. Take 2 moles of H2SO4. Mechanism. 2 moles of H2SO4. 1 mole is S double bond O, O hands, double O hands. Take 1 mole of sulfuric acid, H O hands. Both are the sulfuric acid only. Now one molecule donate H plus ions. How many donate? Here 2 donate. 1 lone pair donate to this hydrogen atom, then this electron goes to an oxygen atom. Then it will be formed yes, double bond O, O has previous H. Now new H here plus charge. One lone pair donated to this hydrogen atom. Let's say O plus. Now O H. Remaining they will form byproduct H SO4 minus charge. Now this is unstable. It can be released as water. So these electron goes here. It will form minus H2O. Then what is the reagent? S double bond O. S double bond O plus charge OH. Plus charge OH. This is our electrophile. This one it can be donated electrons because S orbital is vacant here. Now this one will be donated here. Then it will be formed yes double bond O double bond O double bond O plus H. This is our electrophile. Electrophile. This is our electrophile. This electrophile react with benzene. It will be formed benzene sulfonic acid. You can write. If you not able, you can write here also. Yes, double bond O, double bond O, double bond O plus S. Both are same. Now this our electrophile. This electrophile react with benzene will form benzene sulfonic acid. Then how it will react with benzene? We'll see now. Now benzene double bond and our electrophile plus yes double bond O plus H double bond O double bond O. From benzene this pi bond donate to this carbon to sulfur and this electron goes to an oxygen atom. Then it will be formed double bond. Now here already we have donated. Then it will become yes double bond O H double bond O. See this carbon donated this carbon to sulfur. Then this carbon will get plus charge. Electrophile. Now need electrons. This carbocation need electrons. It can be donate our hydrogen atom. This sigma electron goes here to make you double bond. मतलब that is deprotonation. Minus H plus. Then it will be formed benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. SO3 acid. This is our product. Benzene sulfonic acid.